What's up, guys? Hope you guys are doing well today. So, today we are Friday, December 26th, and finally, we won today. Now, like you guys know, the past 2 days, well, yesterday was Christmas, and then the day before was a half trading day, right? So, I had plenty time to go back in my, what's it called? In my journal, looking at my old videos and backtest, right? So, I legit maybe have done a complete day of backtesting. Like I broke my eyes. But anyway, nonetheless, today, uh, so as you guys know, I bought 5 Tradefy accounts, 50Ks. So for the 40% consistency, I can only make 1K per day. So I, here, let me show you guys. So here, so normally I take a 1 to 2, but if I place 99, if you guys check here, it's 99,990 USD, which is perfect because let's say I go even $1, they will up it. So anyway, this is perfect. Now I need 2 more good days like that, or honestly just 1 more and then a 1 to 1, and the accounts are passed. Anyway, today we made 5K in 6 minutes. I'll show you guys how. This was my trade that I took, and honestly, from backtesting the past days, I'll show you guys how I avoided a loss very beautifully. So that was the trade. My stop loss was originally there because we always put our stop loss at the candle for the scenario here above it, right? And then when I seen price displace, I placed it right there. If you guys enjoy, like, subscribe, like always. Thank you guys for the 2 new people watching. All right. Remove drawing, account summary, orders, notification, orders. So I entered at 9:52. I got filled, or 9:57. No, yeah, 9:52. Then 6 minutes later, 9:57. I got full TP. Took 1 trade. All right. Let me log out. I'll show you guys what I did today. Okay. So bang, it's 9:15. What can I see already? Well, I can see we have these lows right there, these draws. We have these draws right there. Now, anything else I can see? I may have to go back. Okay, bang. You can see I have this high right there and these highs right there. These high, do I need to mark these? No, perfect. Or do I? We'll mark them regardless. Yeah, okay. So perfect. Let me zoom back in. So it's 9:15. Let's fast forward. Market open. Bang, we go all the way down to these lows. We sweep them and we close above this high, but under this low, right? Under this high, sorry. So now we can remove this. Now we can remove this. Let's go on the 1 minute. And yeah, like I was saying, from backtesting and stuff, honestly, this week, Monday, Tuesday, should have been easy wins, even the last week. So honestly, it was just my mental, my discipline, and just me locking back in on the strategy. I was, anyway, just letting you guys know. But I'm feeling those Tradefy accounts. We will get them passed and we will get payouts. Anyway, 9:44. We just swept this draw of liquidity. This, let's just call them buy side. So we swept this buy side, or I'll just call it draw, honestly. Yeah, we swept this draw, and then what? Let's see. Looks like we're gonna start reversing. Strong movement to the downside, right? So I'm now definitely looking for shorts. Honestly, if I was to take inverses, I would have probably got a short right there, but I don't take inverses because most of the time it's gonna fuck with my win rate, so I just prefer to take regular for value gaps fill. Anyway, right there, strong displays to the downside, so obviously we're gonna come and sweep these or retest this zone or go even lower, right? Perfect. As soon as price comes back into this gap, I'll just straight up enter. Now normally this is how I will enter, right? But like I said, guys, every detail matters. Stop loss goes right there. So even though I was risking one contract on the mini, so it was 500. Now if I put in two contracts, so for example, okay, I can't show you guys, but anyway, I was probably risking like 600 right there for one contract. But regardless, this is where my stop loss needs to go, right? And TP, well, it was a 1 to 2, but it was really a 1.9, so I don't broke the rule on Tradeify consistency. Anyway, let's put a limit right there. Sell one contract. Yep. Right there, I got filled at 953. Now, if my stop loss was placed badly, I would have gotten stopped out 100%. Why do we place it here? Because we leave some space for if price wants to retrace into the gap before doing the actual move, right? But once we went below, bang, I placed my stop loss back to right there. Because if price comes back to this, let's call it just to this high, then the whole idea is scrapped anyway. So stop loss here. Once price goes out of this gap, bang, we can put it back to this high, right? Anyway, then I was waiting and bang, full TP right there at 10. I don't know, no, that's a 2.6. I just posted a short if you guys want to go check it out. Yeah, 957 exactly how I showed you guys. And yeah, that was the trade. We ended up taking out these lower draws too. Nice. So yeah, that was the recap. Hope you guys enjoyed. Good way to end Friday. And yeah, I'll see you guys Monday. I'll probably do a backtesting video soon. Like maybe Saturday or Sunday, I'll see. But yeah, see you guys.